Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. How are you today?
Good morning, sir. We are fine.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Miss.
Good. So I'm gonna check your attendance. So please turn on your camera. Okay, first Farah Putri Rahmadani,
Yes, Miss.
Munira Azira,
Yes, Miss.
Ria Safitri,
Yes, Miss.
Sarah Nadia,
Yes, Miss. I'm here.
Suci Rahmadani.
Yes, Miss. I'm here.
Okay, is anyone of you absent today?
No.
No, okay. Good. All of you was attended. So today we're gonna learn about integrations. This is I'm gonna give you a PowerPoint, a share. So today we're gonna learn about integrations. Before that, when the lesson is end, I hope you can understand about the concept of integration as a summation function, definite integral, and as converse of differentiations, indefinite integral, apply standard form of integral as a converse of differentiations. Integrate the following function. First, x multiply k multiply x to the power of n with n are set of real number with n unequal minus 1 to k over x and k multiplied by a of to the power of n multiply x with a greater or equal to 0. K, a are set of real points. So introductions, the process of integration refers to the process of differentiations. In differentiation, a function x equal to 2 multiplied x squared, then function prime x equal to 4x. Thus, the integral of 4x is 2x squared. We can represent this process pictorially as follows. If the general function is this 2 multiplied by x squared, so the differentiate of this function is 4x. So if the general function is 4x, the integrate of this function is 2 multiplied by x squared. The situation gets a bit more complicated because there are infinite number of functions we can differentiate to give 4x. Here are some of the functions. So the example is function x equal to 2x squared plus 7 and gx equal to 2x squared minus 8. And another example is 8x equal to 2x squared plus half. So that was have an activity. I wish you can give me an example for a function whose derivative is 4x. One of you have give me a one example. So I give you 1 minute to think, and if there are any of you that know an example, just raise your hands.
Miss Suchi want to try to give an example.
Suchi?
The example was fx equals to 2x squared minus 10. The function was 2x squared minus 10. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, Suchi, your answer are right. Let's see another example of your friends.
Miss.
Yes?
When give an example, fx equals to x squared minus 10.
Good,
you, Miss.
Mira. Can you give me an example, Ria?
Yes, Miss.
Can you give me an example for the function whose derivative is 4x?
Uh, mm, fx equals to negative 2 x the power of negative 2.
Thanks, Ria. Is any of you have things about example of Ria?
Miss, I think the
Yes.
real answer is not right because if that function, the result must be 4 to the power of minus 3.
4.
4 x to the
X.
power of minus 3.
Oh, okay. That is right. So, Ria example is fx equal to minus 2 x to the power of minus 2 is not a result of 4x, but 4x x multiplied by x to the power of minus 3. Now, for this example that you all have given, you would have noticed that all the functions have the same derivative of 4x, because when we differentiate the constant term, we obtain 0. Hence, we will reverse the process. We have no idea what the original constant term might have been. So we will include in our response an unknown constant c, called the arbitrary constant of integrations. The integral of 4x then is 2x squared plus c. That c was a constant. In differentiations, the differential coefficient dy over dx indicates that a function of x is being differentiated with respect to x. The dx indicating that it is with respect to x. So now we're gonna learn about integrations. In integration, the variable of integration is shown by adding the variable, after the function to be integrated. When we want to integrate a function, we use a special notations. This is a notations. Integral function x dx. Thus, to integrate 4x, we will write it as follows. This is a function, and this is integral side. This is an integral side. 4x was a term called the integrate, and this is the term must always be a term of the form dx. So integral 4x dx equal to 2x squared plus c, when c are set of real number. This c is a constant of integrations. Okay, so Sarah, please can you read a function on your screen?
Okay, Miss, I will read on my screen. Integral 4x dx equal to 2x squared plus c when c are set of real number.
Good job, Sarah. So we're gonna go to a next slide. Note that along with the integral side, integral function dx, there is a term of the form dx, which must always be written and which indicates the variable involved. In our example, x, we say that 4x is integrated with respect x. Example, integral 4x dx. The function being integrated is called the integrand. Technically, integrals of this type are called indefinite integral, to distinguish them for definite integral, which we will deal with later. When you are required to evaluate an indefinite integral, your answer must always include a constant of integrations. Example, integral 4x dx equal to 2x squared plus c, where c was a set of real number. Definition of antiderivative. Formally, we define the antiderivative or integral, as if function x is a continuous function and f(x) is the function whose derivative is function x. Example, f from x equal to function x, then integral function x dx equal to fx plus c, where c is any arbitrary constant. This fx is same as the example that I give you. This is the fx. The 2x squared was the fx and the 4x is the functions. This is the sign of integral and c was a constant. So now we have activity 2. This activity 2 is for your class. Now, this is the end of today's lessons. Did all of you understand today's lessons?
Yes, Miss. We got what she explains about. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, good. Because all of you get to know all the material, I'm going to give you a homework. This is activity 2 for you to do and send it to me before our next class.
Okay.
So our next material in next class is about the general solution of integral of the form k multiplied x to the power of n. So this file I'm gonna give you in your group, so you can do your homework. And thanks for your attention. I see you next week and stay safe and stay healthy, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.